Winter is the perfect time to start planning your spring garden. The cold weather outside might make it seem like gardening is far off, but there's plenty you can do now to prepare. Even though it's cold outside, there's plenty to do inside. You can start by reading gardening books and magazines to gather new ideas and techniques. You can get a head start on the growing season by planting seeds in trays indoors. Organizing your gardening tools now will save you time later. A little planning now will lead to big rewards in the spring. Sketch out your garden plans in a notebook, or use garden planning software to visualize your ideas. Get ready for a bountiful harvest. Imagine the satisfaction of picking fresh vegetables and seeing your garden in full bloom. Winter offers time to assess your garden space. Measure your garden plot and think about how you can optimize the space. Consider sunlight and soil conditions. Testing your soil now can help you amend it before planting season. Think about what you want to grow. Browse seed catalogs and decide on the varieties of plants you want in your garden. Do you want fresh vegetables? Starting seeds indoors can give you a head start on growing your own produce. Maybe you prefer beautiful flowers. Planting flower bulbs now can ensure a colorful garden in the spring. Winter is the time to dream and design. Start a garden journal. Jot down ideas. Sketch potential garden layouts. Reflect on what worked well last year and what you want to change. Make a list of seeds to order. Planning your seed purchases now can help you avoid the rush and ensure you get the varieties you want. Planning is key to a successful garden. Use this time to create a detailed garden plan and organize your supplies. With a bit of effort now, you'll be ready for spring planting. Taking these steps during the winter months will set you up for a thriving garden when the weather warms up. Compost is a gardener's best friend. It's like magic. Compost enriches the soil, providing essential nutrients that plants need to thrive. It improves soil structure, retains moisture, and even helps to suppress plant diseases. It helps plants grow strong and healthy, ensuring they can withstand harsh weather conditions and pests. Winter is a great time to start a compost pile. Even though the garden may be dormant, composting can continue, turning waste into valuable soil amendment. Choose a spot for your compost bin. Ideally, it should be in a convenient location, not too far from your kitchen or garden beds. A simple plastic bin works well. It helps contain the compost and keeps pests out. Add brown materials like fallen leaves and shredded paper. These provide carbon, which is essential for the composting process. Layer in green materials such as kitchen scraps. These provide nitrogen, which helps to speed up the decomposition process. Moisten the pile regularly to maintain the right level of moisture. Turn it every few weeks. This aerates the pile, providing oxygen that is crucial for the microorganisms breaking down the materials. This helps the materials break down more efficiently, turning your waste into rich compost faster. Over time, you'll have rich, fertile compost. This dark, crumbly material is full of nutrients that your plants will love. Add this garden gold to your garden beds in the spring. It will give your plants a great start for the growing season. Your plants will thank you. With regular composting, you'll see a noticeable difference in the health and vitality of your garden. Spring will be here before you know it. Now is the time to plan your garden layout. Start by measuring your garden space. Note areas with sun and shade. Consider what you want to grow. Some vegetables need full sun. Leafy greens tolerate some shade. Research plant needs before finalizing your plan. Think about companion planting. Certain plants grow well together. They can even deter pests. For example, plant basil near tomatoes. Sketch your garden design in your journal. This will help you visualize your spring garden. Start now by starting seeds indoors. Get a jump start on spring by starting seeds indoors. This method allows you to extend your growing season and enjoy fresh produce earlier. It's easier than you think. With a little preparation, you can have a thriving indoor garden. You can buy pre-made seed starting kits, which come with everything you need to get started. Or make your own with simple supplies like egg cartons, yogurt cups, or even newspaper pots. Fill seed trays with seed starting mix. This special mix is designed to support young seedlings. Plant seeds according to package instructions. Be sure to label each tray so you know what's growing. Keep the soil moist and provide plenty of light. Grow lights can be a great help if natural light is limited. A sunny windowsill works well, but make sure the seedlings get at least 12 to 16 hours of light each day. Herbs and leafy greens are great choices for indoor starting. They are not only easy to grow, but also very rewarding. They are quick and easy to grow, often sprouting within a week or two. Imagine fresh salads from your own indoor garden. The taste of homegrown produce is unmatched. Transplant your seedlings outdoors when the weather warms up. This gives them the best chance to thrive. You'll have a head start on the growing season, ensuring a bountiful harvest and a beautiful garden. Don't break the bank. Budget-friendly gardening. Gardening doesn't have to be expensive. There are plenty of ways to save money. Start by checking online marketplaces for used garden tools. Make your own compost instead of buying it. Save seeds from your harvest to plant next year. Look for free or discounted seeds from local gardening groups. Start small and gradually expand your garden each year. You don't have to do everything at once. Focus on a few crops you enjoy. Enjoy the process and the rewards of a beautiful, productive garden. Time flies. Get ready for spring. Winter may seem quiet in the garden, but it's a time of preparation and anticipation. By taking these steps now, you'll be ready for a successful and abundant spring garden. Remember, gardening is a journey. Start with small steps. Learn as you go. Enjoy the process of nurturing your plants. The rewards of fresh, homegrown food are worth the effort. Get ready to reap the benefits of your winter gardening prep. What are your plans for your spring garden? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below.